How does a protein-rich diet help you lose weight successfully? Losing weight can feel like a struggle, but did you know that eating more protein can make it easier? Studies show that people who follow a high-protein diet lose more weight and keep it off longer. In fact, research suggests that increasing protein intake can boost metabolism by up to 100 calories per day and help reduce hunger, leading to fewer cravings. If you're looking for a natural and effective way to shed extra pounds, a protein-rich diet could be the key. Let's look at how protein helps with weight loss and the best foods to include in your diet. Watch the video until the end for tips on how much protein you need. 1. Protein keeps you feeling full longer. One of the biggest challenges in losing weight is controlling hunger. Protein takes longer to digest than carbohydrates, keeping you full for hours. This means you're less likely to snack on unhealthy foods. Eating high-protein meals can reduce hunger hormones like ghrelin while increasing hormones that make you feel satisfied. Great high-protein foods to keep you full: eggs, chicken breast, Greek yogurt, lentils and beans, cottage cheese. 2. Protein boosts metabolism and burns more calories. Your body burns calories while digesting food, and protein has the highest thermic effect. This means your body uses more energy to break down protein compared to fats and carbs. Studies show that digesting protein burns 20 to 30% of its calories, while carbs burn only 5 to 10%. By eating more protein, your body naturally burns more calories, even while at rest. 3. Protein helps build and maintain muscle. When you lose weight, your goal is to burn fat, not muscle. A high-protein diet helps protect muscle mass while your body burns fat for energy. More muscle also means a higher metabolism, helping you burn even more calories throughout the day. Strength training combined with a protein-rich diet is the best way to maintain lean muscle while losing fat. Best protein sources for muscle health: lean beef, salmon, tofu, nuts and seeds, protein shakes. 4. Protein reduces cravings and late-night snacking. Cravings, especially for sweets and junk food, can make weight loss difficult. Eating more protein helps control blood sugar levels, reducing sudden cravings. Studies have shown that increasing protein intake to 25% of daily calories can cut cravings by 60% and reduce late-night snacking by 50%. 5. Protein supports fat loss without extreme dieting. Many people think they need to eat less to lose weight, but eating the right foods is more important than simply cutting calories. A protein-rich diet allows you to eat satisfying meals without feeling deprived. Instead of following extreme diets, focus on adding more protein to your daily meals while reducing processed foods and sugar. How much protein do you need? The ideal amount of protein depends on your weight and activity level. A general guideline is to aim for 1. Sedentary individuals, 8 grams per kilo body weight. 2. Active individuals, 1.2 to 2.0 grams per kg. 3. Weight loss goal, 25 to 30% of daily calories from protein. For example, if you weigh 70 kilograms, 154 kilograms, you should aim for around 140 grams of protein per day, depending on your activity level. A high-protein diet is one of the easiest and most effective ways to lose weight successfully. It helps control hunger, burns more calories, preserves muscle, and reduces cravings. By simply adding more protein to your meals and making healthy food choices, you can lose weight without feeling hungry or deprived. Start today by including protein-rich foods in your diet and see the difference it makes. Would you like to learn more about weight loss? If so, watch the next video. Please subscribe to the channel for more health and nutrition tips.